Dear students, today we are going to learn how to write an essay on Quaid Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So let's start. Quaid Muhammad Ali Jinnah was born on 25th December 1876 at Karachi. His father's name was Jinnah Pooja. He was a rich merchant of Karachi. He received his early education from Karachi. He passed his matriculation exams from Bombay University. He passed his BA with great marks. Then he went to England for higher education and returned home as a barrister. He passed his bar at law from London. On his return he joined Indian National Congress. But soon he felt that Congress is only working for Hindu Raj. So he left Congress and joined the Muslim League. As a president of this league he worked hard for Pakistan. After a hard and long struggle, Pakistan came into being on 14th August 1947. He became first Governor-General of Pakistan. Due to lot of work his health failed and he died on 11 September 1948. His tomb is in Karachi. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe Fizeducation and hit the bell icon for early notifications.